for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing. We've got the New Balance 610. Before we get to this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit the subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly, drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank subscribers new and old. Without you guys, I can't do this, so thank you. And let's go. So today we've got a look at the New Balance 610. This is actually the laceless version. So we've done a 610 in the past before, so do check that out if you get a moment. But we've got these 610s in a UK size 8. It's a European 42 and it's US 8.5. And then we've got this in the tan black colorway. There's not an official color name for it because New Balance never put the colors on the boxes, but here we are. And here they are. So again, this does remind me of the 610, obviously without the laces, which is the whole thing. And I'm kind of here for it. It's kind of got that urban ninja vibe about it. Well, if it was all black, it's got that vibe about it. But essentially the whole tooling, the whole silhouette is just the 610 without the laces. So we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is all a rubber outsole, heavily lugged, because this kind of sneaker was designed for, you've got your trail running, exploring as well, all that jazz all around. And you've got the endurance logo there. So New Balance in the middle, heavily lugged, good for traction, so you hopefully don't get any slippage. The midsole unit is essentially an EVA, but it's got an absorb technology for your cushioning, which New Balance are very famous for. It's their staple, it's their go-to. You see on a lot of their sneakers, 991s, 574s, and the 610. Look at the upper. So this upper is made out of an array of materials. You've got suede, you've got your meshes all around. You can see it right there. It's not like the wide, big gap mesh. It's quite clean and very small. Got the New Balance N logo right there at the toes, and then the New Balance lettering also where your little toe would be. So again, what sets this apart from the normal 610 is the lack of laces. So you've got this kind of elasticated collar right there, so you can just easily slip your feet in. If you look at the ankle support, again, it's padded, elasticated, just to help slip your feet in. And hopefully it gets to the shape of your feet, because essentially this is like a sock liner right here that's exposed. But all that suede paneling goodness, so you can see it all around the sneaker, medial side as well, there. And on the lateral side, see it also. You can see it, the 610 logo just below the ankle collar, and at the back, suede panels, pull tab also. In the insole, you've got the New Balance logo with a trail. So obviously, like I mentioned before, this is part of their core range, and a lot is done for their trail running. Very lightweight is what you want for a trail running sneaker. Ease of access, which is why it's easy to slip your feet in. See how easy it is when we do the on feet, which we're going to move on to. So I'll roll that footage of me trying these 610s for you. When it comes to the sizing, guys, I recommend they go half a size up to what you usually wear for New Balance. I typically wear UK size 7.5, but this is UK size 8. They fit perfectly actually. My toes are kind of where they need to be. There's a little bit of space, but there's no slippage, and they fit perfect. As soon as I slid these onto my feet, I thought, whoa, this is cold. They feel very much like the 610 that we've done in the past, but they've got that urban explorer look. It's very tech wear inspired as well. Very cool sneaker. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.